In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an anime video using Sora 2 in 2025. Whether you're an aspiring animator or just someone who wants to delve into the vibrant world of anime creation, this tutorial will guide you through each step to bring your vision to life. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Sora 2 on your device. Once launched, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is a breeze. Just follow the prompts on the screen to create your account, and then you'll be ready to harness the power of Sora 2 for your creative journey. Next, you'll want to create a new project. This is your blank canvas where all the magic will begin. In the project setup, think about the world you want to build. Consider the themes you'd like to explore, and most importantly, envision the story you want to tell through your anime video. Once your project is set up, it's time to get creative with writing an anime prompt. In this prompt, you'll define the key details of your animation, such as characters, actions, style, and mood. For example, you might describe a scene with an anime girl flying through a neon city at night, dynamic camera angles, and cinematic lighting. Be as detailed as possible to help Sora 2 understand your vision and craft something tailored just for you. If you're looking for additional character consistency or inspiration, consider adding an image, video, or even a cameo to your project. These elements are optional, but they can help maintain a cohesive style and bring your characters more vividly to life in the animation. Now go ahead and hit the generate button. This is where Sora 2 takes your prompt and transforms it into a visual masterpiece. After the software processes your input, take some time to review the output. This is your chance to see your anime creation in action. While you're reviewing, feel free to make any tweaks necessary. Maybe adjust the lighting, add more dynamism, or modify character expressions. If you feel it needs a bit more refining, regenerate the project until it perfectly matches your artistic vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to export your project. Sora 2 allows you to download your video directly to your device, ensuring you can enjoy and share your creation wherever you like. Whether you choose to share it on social media platforms, send it to friends, or even keep it in your creative portfolio, the process is swift and straightforward. And that's it. You've just created your very own anime video using Sora 2. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to continue crafting fantastic worlds and stories. Remember, practice makes perfect. And with tools like Sora 2, your imagination is the only limit. Happy animating!